Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing effect in Capcut. First, open Capcut and start a new project, importing your main video clip. Next, select the clip and duplicate it. Drag the duplicated clip to the overlay track, placing it directly above the original. This setup is crucial for creating the visual separation needed for the effect. Ensure both clips align perfectly at the start. Now, let's add keyframes. Select your overlay clip and add a keyframe at its very beginning. Then, drag the overlay clip upwards until it's completely off-screen. Move forward a few frames, about 1/4 of a second, and add a second keyframe. This second keyframe marks the point where your subject will start its descent. For the impact, move a few more frames forward and add a third keyframe. At this point, drag the overlay clip slightly below its final resting position, simulating a slight bounce. Then, advance just a couple of frames and add a fourth keyframe, bringing the clip back to its exact desired landing spot. This creates a realistic, subtle bounce effect upon impact. To refine the animation, adjust the graph curves between your keyframes for a smoother, more natural movement. Experiment with ease in and ease out options. Consider adding a subtle shake effect to the main video layer at the moment of impact for extra realism. This really sells the landing. Also, remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.